Do you want to know how to start earning daily online by trading US dollar? Do you want to know how to start making money online with your mobile phone or with your PC right from home? Do you want to know how to stop enriching the banks and devaluing your money with your bank savings? Because many people think that once they have enough money, huge amount of money in their bank accounts, so they have been financially secured. No, because the money that you have put in your bank account is of no value to you, but you are just unconsciously enriching the banks more and more. So I will be teaching you step by step how to start earning daily online by trading US dollar. So for instance, those that are in Nigeria right now, they know that US dollar is increasing. That is, the conversion rate of US dollar to Naira is increasing on daily basis. So that means that Naira is being devaluated. So when you are having Naira in your bank account, it means that the purchasing power of your money of Naira is now reducing because there is inflation. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can start earning daily online by trading US dollar, by buying and by selling. You don't need to have a office for bureau exchange before you can trade US dollar. Once you have your mobile phone, once you have your PC, once you have internet, you can do it right from your house. You can do it at your own leisure. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to stop enriching the banks, how to stop devaluing your money while you are keeping it in your bank savings, in your savings account. So this is all I will be sharing with you today in this video. But before I go deep, I welcome you to this channel. I say, how are you doing? I believe you are doing fine and cool wherever you are across the world right now. This video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojeni Talk. In this channel, I created this channel to share with you some ways whereby I personally have been making money online. It is all about financial education, okay? So, and it is created to share with you some online business whereby you can venture into, and also to warn you of some fraudulent or suspicious online investments in order for you not to venture into such and lose your hard earn money and lose your money at the end of the day. Okay, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe. It is very, very important, and also turn the notification bell to all notification for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new financial education video like this on how you can make money for yourself online. All right, and if you have any question concerning this video, you can contact me through this email address. You can contact me on my phone or through my WhatsApp contacts, on, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be dropping frequent announcements. I will be making frequent announcements on how you can make money online, because without information there can never be transformation. Okay, so once again, what we are considering today is how to start earning daily online by trading US dollar. So I will be using Nigerian Naira as a case study, though this video is applicable to everybody wherever you are across the world. So I will be, because I'm in Nigeria, so I'll be using Nigerian Naira, that is Nigerian currency, as a case study. So now, for instance, let's assume you have 20,000 Naira in January this year. So in January 2021, the price of the conversion rate of dollar to Naira is 390. That is 390 Naira will give you $1. But presently, so let me do the calculation. So if you are having 20,000 Naira in January, that means that you are having how much in dollars? Let's do the calculation. So that means you are having just $51.28 for 20,000 Naira. So you are having $51.28 for just 20,000. That is 20,000 Naira will give you $51.28. All right. So that is your value in dollar in the month of January. And as we all know that the global market is run by US dollars. That is the general the legal tender that is widely acceptable for the transaction, for importing, for exporting, especially for international trading. So it is US dollar, and for that reason it will surely have effect on all the economy. It will have effect on world economy as a whole. All right. So if you say that you are not spending the US dollar is not your local currency, it doesn't matter. But since dollar is used in the world in the world market, so it will surely affect every country's economy. All right. So now, as a Nigerian, having 20,000 in your account in the month of January 2021, so your 20,000 will give you just $51.28 in the month of January. But right now, the price of $1 is now far above 390. So let's check the price here. This is Binance. So let's check the price there. So USDT is just a cryptocurrency. It is equivalent to US dollar. But I can also say that USDT is a US dollar cryptocurrency. All right. So let's check the price. So as you can see here, the price for USDT is 568 naira. That is, it is in this range, 568. Let's check the sell. So it is in this range between between 567 and 568 naira per dollar. Between 567 and 568 naira per dollar. So let's now go back to the calculation. In the month of January, you have 20,000 naira. Let's assume the 20,000 is still now in your account. So 20,000 naira divided by 567. You can see that the value of your money has been reduced drastically. The value of your money has reduced from $51 to $35 within how many months? So it's not up to a year. So your money in your bank account, the purchasing power of your money in your bank has now reduced to $35. That is what you can obtain with $51 before. What you can obtain with 20,000 before, you can't obtain it right now. So because it has reduced in price, it has reduced in value. So now what is now the essence? What is now the essence of keeping your money in your bank account when the purchasing power is reducing on daily basis? There's no need for that. So instead, it is better for you to keep it in US dollar, or you trade US dollar on daily basis and you earn passive income through it, instead of putting your money in a bank or saving it elsewhere. That maybe for the purpose of savings, though in economics there are many ways for saving money, maybe for precautionary motive, for speculative, or for transaction motive. But in this case, whereby your money is just it keeps deteriorating in value, I don't think there is need for saving it. Why don't you invest it, or why don't you put it in US dollar, whereby the price will be intact? Because US dollar is controlling the world's economy. So it is better for you to have your money in US dollar. Even if you can't trade it, it's better for you to have it in US dollar than to have it in naira. So I'm not saying this against those people that have their money in naira. So for instance, if you want to buy something, you can't buy something directly with your US dollar. You just need to have your naira, you need to have your Nigerian currency, that is naira, in your account or as a cash before you can buy something. So I think you can just put the little that you want to use for purchasing things, goods, or for settling services. That is what you need to have in your bank account or as a cash. But for the other, I think it should be in US dollar. So now, how can you trade this US dollar that we are talking about? How can you trade US dollar that I've been talking about? So one thing that you need to do is that you need to have a Binance app. You need to have a Binance account. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange site, and it is one of the best cryptocurrency exchange site in the world. Okay, so now what are we going to do? You need to have an account with them. So don't worry, in the description box of this video I will be dropping the link for you to register and to register on Binance to have an account with them. So after that, you need to run through the verification processes, so that you are going to have the full access to the features on Binance Exchange. So in Binance Exchange, there is a feature that is called Binance P2P. P2P simply means peer to peer. It is a platform whereby you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency locally. That is, you are going to sell to an end to someone like you. Because for instance, there are some countries whereby cryptocurrency has been banned, that this cryptocurrency trading is banned. The trading of cryptocurrency is banned. For instance, in Nigeria, it is banned. So that is the reason why P2P is available for you. So for that reason, you can trade your Naira for USDT. For instance, now this is the Binance P2P platform. So let us go to buy. So that's your 20,000 naira in January, assuming that it has been in USDT now, assuming that you keep it in US dollar. So that's your 20,000 naira. You are going to have $51. Then if you should now convert $51 to naira now, let's do the calculation. 51 multiplied by 568. So that means you are having 28,968 naira. 28,968 naira if you have put it in US dollar. But since you have it in naira, the value have reduced drastically in price. Alright, so now let's go back to this platform. So in Binance P2P, for you to buy and for you to sell, it has some procedure. So after you have successfully registered, after you have been verified, then you have access to Binance P2P platform, and this is how to go about it. You are a buyer. You want to buy USDT. As I said earlier, USDT is just like US dollar, that is a cryptocurrency. US dollar cryptocurrency, that is USDT, because they have the same value in price. All right, so now you are going to click on buy. When you click on buy, then you are going to see different orders. There are two ways to go about this. Is either you set a buy order, or you buy straight from the available buying order, you place a sell order, or you sell straight to the available buyers. All right, so now let's assume you want to buy straight from the available sellers. So you just click on buy USDT. So you click on buy USDT. So when you buy USDT, depending on the amount you want to buy, and when you click on buy USDT, so you are going to see the payment details of the seller. And one thing that I would like you to understand is that even as I said earlier, that it's better to have your money in USDT. You can just imagine these people that are selling now. This person is selling between 100,000 naira and 802,000 naira. So that means that people they are moving their money in USDT. People are trading this thing. They are trading USDT because they know that the price of naira is not stable, and it is better they keep the value of their money. And how can they do that? It is when they are having it in USDT, or when they are trading it on daily basis. So you don't need to have your money sitting down stagnant, doing nothing in your bank account. You are just enriching your bank in that aspect. But when you have it in USDT, then it means that you can still trade it or retain the value of your money over a long period of time. Now people are now trading it. You can see this person has 802,000 naira worth of USDT. These ones have 58,000 naira worth of USDT. We have many like that, even to the extent of 10 million naira. So if you should check, you are going to see that people have enough. They have more than this. People have 10 million naira worth of USDT that they are ready to sell, that they are ready to buy, because they know the importance of retaining the value of money over a very long period of time. So now for you to go about it, you just click on buy. When you click on buy, so it will bring the details of the seller to you. And one thing that you need to do is that you need to pay the person within the specific period of time. So after you have made the payment, then you contact the person. This person will surely release it, because in P2P, Binance will make sure that the person's cryptocurrency, that is USDT, has been locked So when you make your payment, the person's coin will be locked. He won't have access to the coin again until he verified your payment. So when your payment has been verified by him, he will release the coin and you have your USDT. So that is how it goes. And also, if you want to sell, as I said earlier, you can sell to the present buyers, or you create your own sell order. You can see these are sell orders. You can create your own sell orders, or you sell straight to the present buyer. So these people, they want to buy from you and you are the one to sell to them. So how can you make profit from this thing? How you to make profit is just by you you just need to do your calculations. It is very, very simple. So for you to make profit, you know that selling price minus cost price is what is profit. That one is simple arithmetic. So now when you buy low, you sell high, and you don't need to be very, very greedy. You don't need to be greedy about this. A little change in price can give you enough money. For instance, let's assume you buy at the rate of 567 and now you are selling at the rate of 568. 1 naira is okay. So it now depends on the number. It now depends on your trading capital that will determine your profits per trade. So the higher the capital, the higher the profit. That's just it. Because if you say that you buy at the rate of 567 and you are now setting your own selling order to 570 or 575, it may take a longer period of time before you can get it done. So you just need to wait till the price for naira, for dollar gets to that level before you can buy, before you can sell easily. All right. But for you to maximize your time and maximize your profits, you just need to capitalize on the little differences in price between the buy order and the sell order, and you can go about that many times in a day, and you're going to earn your money. So it's very, very simple. So that is how to go about it. You don't need to put your money in your bank, and Binance is a very, very safe and secure cryptocurrency exchange site whereby both your fiat currency and your cryptocurrency are securely saved. So what you just need to do is that you need to keep your login details very, very safe, because you need to be responsible for your security, for your asset security. So just make sure that you keep your login details in a very, very secured place. All right. So that is how to go about it. You buy at the rate of 567, you sell at the rate of 568. You do that over and over again, and I'm very, very sure in a day you can make up to like 10 to 20% of your capital. So that is how to go about it. So it's a very, very vital information that you can't afford to keep to yourself alone. You need to share this video with your friends and family so that they too can know that there is power in information. You don't need to keep devaluing your money in your bank account. You don't need to keep enriching the banks at your own by hurting yourself. All right. So you don't need to do this to yourself, but you just need an information that will guide you through, and this is the information that I'm bringing to your doorstep now. So thank you for watching this video. This is Last Journey Biz Talk. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very, very important for you to be continually aware of the next updates. All right, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Meet me in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.